what are you doing? Why have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
Well, I once one, I feel there's something wet upon your hair. Well, you're hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Mr. Opong, I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
But you live, boy, dear God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love,
just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
The rain can hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you are. I've come home from so far. So don't you fret, Mr. Opong,
you won't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here,
that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain
will make